Hi everyone, it's Panda Girl. I have a little friend with me today. Isn't he cute? He's a cushion I've had for quite some time now, but I thought I'd show him to everyone because he's very, very handsome. It's been quite a sad day today. I've just been to a funeral, hence why I'm dressed in black. It was for a friend's grandma who I've known for basically all my life. And it was a nice way of saying goodbye to her. The service was lovely, and we went through a few stories about her as well, so it was a lovely way of saying goodbye, and yeah, a lovely way of remembering her as well. But it's made me feel a bit emotional, a bit sentimental. I just wanted to make this video just to sort of say that I appreciate everyone who's in my life. My friends, my family, my other half, of course. Just to say that I love you all and thank you for everything that you've done for me in the past, the present, and the future that's, yet to come, that's ahead of us. So, to anyone who knows me, and anyone who loves me, thank you. Just thank you for being in my life, and I really appreciate everything that you've done for me. And I give you a virtual hug, and I hope you give me one back. But yeah, basically, it's one of those days where you just want to appreciate everyone that's around you and give them a big squishy hug. Like this little panda. You're so cute. So yes, thank you to everyone who knows me, and I love you all. Right, I think that's all I wanted to say. And yeah, I shall upload some more videos soon. Okay, bye.